Hi all, my name is Ankush Bhatt and I welcome you to the short demo in which I'll explain you about the constraint index concept. So let's switch to Tosca. Okay, now as you can see here, I have made one test case of constraint index in which I have used one module of click on automobile. Okay, so what I need to do here. So for example, in my Internet Explorer, my Tricentis vehicle insurance application is open in two different tabs, as you can see in first tab and then second tab, and I need to click on automobile say of second tab here, and I my first tab is open. So now what I'll do for this, I'll as you can see I have made one test case in which I need to just click on the automobile link. So I'll directly jump to the model of this automobile. Okay, and I'll go to the properties of this module set Tricentis vehicle insurance, and I'll simply right click and create configuration parameter of constraint index, and I'll write the value as 2. So that means it will click on the second tab of the Tricentis vehicle insurance application. Okay, now I'll go to my test case and run this particular test case in Scratchbook. Now let's see. So as it is on the first tab, you can see. So now it has switched to second tab, and now it has clicked on automobile. So this is why we need constant index to uh, to specify the index to which on which we need to either click or do some operation. This can be done for two different instances of Internet Explorer also. For example, two different instances of my Internet Explorer are open. So if we need to click on the second instance, then we can do the same thing. This is all about constant index. Thank you.